Problem 17, it says, in addition to the information given in the drawing, here are the measurements, which statement would be sufficient to prove that ABC, triangle ABC, is similar to triangle DNF? In order for them to be similar, since they're giving us all these numbers, what I'm thinking is everything, the sides have to be in the exact same proportion to one another in order to be similar. The other option is trying to get all the angles to match up. Doesn't have anything to do with angles. So what I'm thinking is, and they usually give you numbers that are sort of obvious. Notice this. If this is 7 and that's 14, 7 and 14, you notice you just doubled it. So if I just doubled it, each of these sides, BC would have to be double the 9. This would have to be 18. And DF is 4, so this would have to be double at 8. So I know I'm looking for trying to find AC to be 8 and BC at 18, which gives it to me right there. No, it doesn't. See, I messed up. AC is 8. They tricked me. Woo! It's choice D, not choice C. But let's say that the numbers weren't pretty. What we would have to do is we would have to use sort of what they had, and I could say, hey, I could figure these out by saying, hey, 14 is to 7, as this unknown side, BC, is to its matching side here of 9. And then I could cross multiply, and I would have gotten 18. And I could do the same thing, 14 is to 7, as this unknown side is to 4, and you would get it. But notice that they just simply have this, or you could look, they cut it in half each time. Either way, you should notice that. And to be honest, most SOLs, they seem to do that with their numbers. For the majority, that happens a good 65-70% of the time. So right here, I was looking, I could sort of very quickly see BC was 18 and AC was 8, and that was choice D. Here, BC being 1 and 2, the ratio 1 to 2, no, it's, if you go through and you'll see it's not even close, because BC 18 to 8 is not a half, nor is this going to be 9 to 4. It would, but actually it's not the same ratio as that to that. So, obviously it's choice D for problem 17.